Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad that you're here today. If you're new here, welcome. If you're coming back, so glad that you are back because you are awesome. Do I need to tell you why? No, you should just know. Just look into my eyes. That's all you need to know. But please like, comment, and subscribe and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it because those metrics let YouTube know that you like me and my channel and my stuff and you want to see me do more things. And today we've got a double unboxing. 2 Bijou boxes, super late. We don't mind because we got them for a good deal. And I've got a Bijou Box promo code, which is Rhonda Said, and it gets you 20% off of a box or a subscription of any size. And I have opened this box because this is the November box. No, is it November? Let me look, because one of them I didn't open all the way. Oh, it's hard to tell. There's no stamp on it. I'm not sure. I'll know by the stuff in it, but let's just do this box first. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. Other box on the floor, please. So this box is $30 a month, and you can subscribe to it and get great discounts. There, she has lots of promotions. Like I got my subscription for a year for $120. There's a promotion, and then I got 20% off of that with my code. So look out for those kind of promotions. She does great promotions like that all the time. The only bad thing about this box is it takes a really, really long time to get your stuff. Like, I got my November, like, in late December. And then I got my December here in mid-January. So, not so great on the timing. But the stuff is usually so good that you don't really care. I mean, you kind of get annoyed that it doesn't get here fast. But the stuff is always so good and so worth it. I mean, that's the thing why I keep loving Bijou Box. I love Bijou Box. It's late as hell, but the stuff is so good. So first off, we get 3 little unicorn type brushes. And they are very soft and very cool looking face brushes. And a little pointy, like I'm a unicorn. Oh, aren't I precious? And then we have a Sweet Chef Kale and Vitamin B Fresh Sheet Mask. And that's really cool. Sometimes she does cards. I don't know if there's a card. There's not a card in this box. But there are a bunch of palettes. Ooh, I think this is the November box. So I remember the brushes on the Instagram account. I saw brushes with this box. And it's got a face palette. This is a contour palette by Estetica. Contour series powder. Ooh. It's got a cute little contoured face there. But it's broken. It's not really badly broken. It is just a little broken. So I don't even know if I would put this in a giveaway. Maybe I'll just repress it and use it for myself. Maybe. Who knows? And it comes with a little pamphlet that tells you how to do things. And little face shapes and little ideas on how to make different contours on different shaped faces, which is cool. So that's the first of 3 palettes. And remember, this is like $30 box. Second palette is called, oh, it's called Sweetie Pie. Hi, Sweetie Pie. Aren't you the cutest? And it says, hemp infused, millennial beauty. Ooh, this is super pretty for a fall palette. I mean, you can use it any time, but it looks specifically fall to me with all the leaves. And this palette is a it's a $10 value. Because it says the other pies The other pies are $10. And there's OG pumpkin pie, strawberry cushy pie, blueberry pie, and pineapple express pie. And there's nothing wrong with indie brands that aren't very expensive. Sometimes you can find some really good kind of makeup that is not crazy, like paying $80 for a palette. But sometimes those $80 palettes are worth it too. I'm a little bit of a snob, but ooh, but I see a brand that I freaking love that's an indie brand, and I'm super happy to get this. And it is from Lurella, and I'm gonna get a Lurella box this month. And Lurella has a fantastic eyeshadow quality. And I don't have this palette. Let's take a look. Easy for me to say. Easy for me to do. Gosh, they're all Fort Knox today. Woo! Iconic. And it is a beautiful neutral palette, which I have plenty of, but the formula for the Lurella is fantastic. So if I don't choose to keep this, it's going to be a fantastic gift for someone, because this palette is high quality and it's at a very reasonable price. It's not a $10 palette, but it is definitely a very good palette. So what a good box. And this was $30 value, and I got it for like so good on my sale there. So that is the November box. January, we got you. No, December, we're in freaking January. That's the bad thing, like I said. And this is supposed to have a bunch of palettes in it too. And this brand is really good if you want to try a lot of makeup. And they have like major brands also in here a lot of times. But there's a lot of great indie brands, and this is what it looks like without the stuffing. And first off, we have a lip from Suva Beauty, and this is Glossy Laminations liquid lipstick, and I love a liquid lipstick. Ooh, it looks like a pretty color. I always hate trying to open these little boxes. I always chew them up. And then if I give them away, it looks like someone gnarled on them. Gnawed, not gnarled. Gnarled is something your hand is. Gnawed is something your mouth does. Ooh, it's super pretty. It is a really pretty pinky red. I think I'm not going to keep this for myself just because I am full up. I did a lip declutter the other day, and I still have about 60 lip colors that I'm using right now, and that's plenty. So, but that's super nice, and Suva's a nice brand, and Suva's got good quality stuff. Then we have from Fig & Yarrow, which is a fantastic brand, and this is Day Nutrient Booster Serum, which is super nice. Let's see what it smells like. It smells really delightful. And Fig & Yarrow Apothecary is really nice stuff. And who doesn't need another serum? I mean, you really you could have serum, like, especially if you get a lot of boxes, you can just have serums in every room. So if your face is a little dry, just pat on a little serum. All right, here we go. Some palettes. And this is obviously a Christmas theme because it says Under the Mistletoe. And this is by Lurella. I love Lurella, and we just got a Lurella palette in the November box. And Lurella is getting ready to have their own box, and it's guaranteed to have a new palette every month. And it's like $29. I'm super excited about it. Oh, I love greens, and this is gorgeous. That is totally beautiful, and I will totally use this palette. Very pretty. And then the next one is a candy cane palette. And it says, "'Tis the season." And these palettes are not, they're reasonably priced, but they're not cheap palettes. And Lurella has excellent quality. I know I just said that, but it bears repeating because the stuff that I have by Lurella I really, really like. If I can only slide these things out the packaging. Oh, there we go. I'm sure I edited out a lot of struggle. If not, then you saw me struggle. And it's a beautiful red and kind of nutmeg, rusty colors. Very pretty. No, it doesn't smell like anything. And there's still another palette. So like I said, you can't beat. If you want to just try like some palettes, like these last 2 boxes had 3 palettes a piece. So for like 60 bucks, that's if you pay full price. But you don't have to. With my code Rhonda Said, you can pay 20% off of that. And this is Winter Wishes. There we go. I figured this out. Oh, it's a really beautiful blue palette. And it is still winter time, so this is still cool. And I do love, I'm really into blues. I'm getting into blues lately. But this is great. So you got 5 things in this box, 3 of which are palettes from a great company. So you get these great palettes. Let's see, I'll hold them up all nice and decorative. My hair's all crazy. Very pretty. 3 palettes. A nice serum. And a nice liquid lip. And you know what? It comes late. But, I mean, if that's the worst thing that they do, which drives you crazy when you have a channel because you want to unbox things in a timely manner and get it out to the people so that people can see how awesome these boxes are. But it's fantastic, and I can't give them crap because these 2 boxes were really good. They just take forever. So, if I haven't mentioned that, they take a long time. But I hope you have a great day. I hope you enjoy this unboxing. I hope that you have hope in your life and have a great day or day of your choice. We'll see you real soon.